Hey everybody, welcome to It's All About the Cocktail. I'm Ray O'Brien. The whole idea of this channel is simple cocktails at home. So I'd be remiss if I didn't tell you about one of the most simplest cocktails out there, the Cape Codder. I mean, the Cape Codder is nothing more than vodka, a little cranberry juice, and some lime. Some people even call it vodka cran. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to try not to make this so simplistic. I'm going to tell you also about Costco's 6 times distilled vodka at the same time. So I'll make it like a 2-for-1 in this video, okay? So let's begin. Get to it, Ray. Okay, all you want to do is get your glass. I got a glass, my chiller. Now, this Costco 6 times distilled vodka, the value at Costco, anybody will tell you the Costco values on liquors is so good. I mean, the taste is pretty much up there, and when I bought it, it was like $13. I think now they raised the price and everything across the board. Now it's like $15.50. That's still not bad for a 175. Come on, this really is a great deal. I mean, the thing's huge. Look at that. Look at the size of that baby. Okay, so all you want to do is ice up your glass, but then you know what? I'm going to do mine a little bit different. Okay, I'm going to do mine with white cranberry juice. Oh my God, Ray, you're a radical. God, come on, man. Okay, I gotta do something different. Okay, so just put 2 parts of your Costco vodka in there. So for there to handle one in the left hand. Okay, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna ice up our shaker. We got the glass is nice and cold. Let's ice up our shaker. 2 ounces of Costco 6 times distilled vodka in there, and then we're just gonna put 3 parts of white cranberry juice, which I know on this thing because it's just below the anchor. Okay. The Cape Codder got named for the great resort that's in Massachusetts, and it has been said also Ocean Spray, the one that invented this in 1945, and the first people that came over from Europe to this country liked this region because of all its because of the cranberries are indigenous to that region. Okay, we're simply going to give that a shake for like 10-11 seconds. This is so easy. You know what? I'm just going to free pour this. I'm just going to free pour this in the glass. Look at that, man. Goes right up to the top. Okay. And then we're simply going to use like a 1/2 ounce of lime juice. So I'm going to get my handy dandy squeezer out here. This would be a good time to ask you if you would please subscribe to me and hit the bell. Because then when you hit the bell, then you're privy to all the, when I put out new content, it alerts you. And when you become, when you subscribe, you're privy to all the cocktails I've already done. How cool is that? I'm going to throw like a half an ounce of lime juice in there. You can measure this out, but when I measure it, I'll spills all over the bar, and I don't like cleaning it up. So we're just going to put a little lime wedge on there as a garnish. And then what are we going to do next? We're going to give it a whirl, of course. Okay. Whoa, cool, Ray. Okay, give that a whirl. It's good, man. I don't know if the white cranberry juice is a little less sweeter than the red. You can use the red if you want to. If you want to be more traditional, but I grabbed this and I thought I'd be a bit different. So why not, huh? So do me a favor, send me back a comment. Let me know if you tried the Costco vodkas, how you like the value. If you've had a Cape Codder, you can even throw a little bit of tonic water in here. Make it a little more fizzy. Well, that's an easy drink, my friend. So get back to me and let me know how you like this. And I'll be seeing you just in time for the next round. See you later.